Hello beauties, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and today we have two easy and simple DIYs that I feel like any of us can make. So with nothing else to say, let's begin. Just a reminder, you guys, all the items used on this DIYs are from the Dollar Tree and will be listed on the description box below. So I picked up a set of 3 of these wreaths from the Dollar Tree and a couple of these Glam pumpkins. They already come with glitter and I love that color. The white ones, they come like that without the glitter. We added the glitter on my other video, so I will link it right now on the right side of the screen for you guys. And I wanted to show you how easy it was to make a wreath for the season, that it won't cost you a lot of money, but it will look really good. Just clipping and inserting every single flower, it was a must for me, so that way you can guys repurpose and reuse these flowers in the future, and also the wreath. So I'm only gonna be gluing the pumpkins, the big ones, because the little ones come with a clip. And it's basically just repeating the same process on all 3 of them. I made 3 because I felt like a whole set would look so much better. Let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you feel like you would do. And I feel again that anybody can make any of these 2 DIYs. First, we'll start with our pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. This was just a sign that I really liked because you can write anything inside that you're thankful for. So I thought that was pretty cool. But I also wanted to add extra glam, and that's why I decided to go with a neutral white on the edges and then add on glitter. And you won't need any glue or Mod Podge because the paint works fine with the glitter. It will adhere to the actual paint. At this point, I wanted to create a beautiful base for this sign, and the way to do it was grabbing one of these round candle holder mirrors from the Dollar Tree, as well as this floral round piece, and I ended up adding some diamond wrap around it with hot glue. And if you guys craft a lot, I would recommend you guys to buy these diamond wrap from eFavorMart. I bought it on sale for $10.99 and it was 10 yards. Definitely worth it if you're planning on big projects. I will leave a link to that on the description box below. And to glue it, I just went ahead and applied glue to the bottom of this sign. And that's it. It was ready. Just make sure you apply enough glue on both sides. I feel like it was a very easy and simple DIY. It's also fall, so it's perfect for the occasion, and it is so cool because you can write anything that you're grateful for. If you're not part of the family, guys, I would love to have you on my channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel a lot. And also remember to follow me on Instagram at Mimi's Design at Totally Glam Decor. If you guys want me to bring out any specific content like fall decor ideas, videos, just leave me a comment down below. For now, this is it. Don't forget, I'll be posting every week, so stay tuned for next week's video.